Good morning, student. This is Hansa, your science teacher, and today we will start class 10th, chapter number 12, electricity. And in this chapter, we will read today electric potential and potential difference. Already we studied about the electric current. When the charge in motion, then electric current is produced. Charge in motion. For this, AB if a conductor. Conductors are those substances which allow to pass the electric current, which is copper, made up of a copper wire. How does the charge flow? Through a conductor. They are in rest. But how the charge are flow? In copper AB, in conductor AB. And what make the charge to flow? Inside the wire, inside the conductor. For this we have to study about the example of water. Take two water tanks which are connected to the pipe, and the pipe is horizontal, and the size of the tank is same, and the water in tank A and water in tank B is same, means height of water, quantity of water in tank A and quantity of water in tank B is same, which possess the same potential energy in A and in B, due to which the pressure exerted in A by water and the pressure exerted by water in tank B is same. If the pressure PA and pressure PB is same, then PA minus PB is equal to 0. It means the pressure difference is 0, then the water will not move from tank A to tank B or from tank B to tank A. If we take the tank A at some height and the pipe is connected not horizontal in an inclined position, it indicates that the potential energy at A is comparatively more than potential energy B at B, due to which the pressure exerted by liquid in tank A is more than pressure exerted by liquid in tank B. It means pressure at A is more than pressure at B, due to which PA minus PB is always greater than 0, which create the difference of pressure. Due to the difference of pressure, the water is flow from A to B, and also due to the gravity. If we throw an object, it will automatically come downward. Therefore, water is flow from A to B due to the difference of pressure. While at A the pressure is more, at B the pressure is less. It means the water is flow. If they behave, they act as a charge. And this A and B are the two terminals. That means the water is flow from one terminal to another terminal. And this is the source of energy. This is the source of energy. Similarly, on its base, the charge will not move due to the gravity. No gravitational force is applicable for the charge. That means how the charges will flow? The charge will flow only due to the by which electric pressure. It means there is some pressure exerted by charge itself. And this, due to the pressure, the electron will move. Electron will move only due to the pressure difference of electric charge, and which is known as potential difference. And this potential difference will move from higher to lower, means high pressure to low pressure. And this pressure, electric pressure, only is generated with the help of cell. and the cell is has some, this is cell. Cell which has some chemical substance in which the chemical reaction will take place. Due to the chemical reaction, chemical action will take place. The potential difference will generate across its end, one end and two end. Across its end mean positive and negative, positive and negative. Whereas the pressure at potential difference at positive side is more than the negative side. If the battery, when connected to the electric circuit, when this battery is connected to the electric circuit, whereas battery is the combination of two or more cells, it will create more potential difference, due to which the electron will be in motion. When electron will be in motion, then charge will flow. It means what cause of charge flow? What cause of electric current? Only due to the presence of battery, and that battery will create the potential difference, mean we can say the source of energy. Therefore, this difference of potential is created only by the battery, which is combination of two or more cells, and the larger will be positive and smaller will be negative, and charge positive will be more electric pressure than the potential difference, then the, it means if here is VA, here is VB, it means VA and VB is not equal to 0. If VA and VB equal to 0, then charge will not flow, electron will not flow. On its basis, we can define the electric potential. Then what is electric potential? It means when the charge will move from one point to another point. Here is battery which is connected to the charge move, it means some work is being done. Similarly, electric potential, the amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to a given point, is known as electric potential. Electric potential. If the amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from one point to another point, unit positive charge Q, the amount of work done from A to B by a unit positive charge or by a charge, that is known as potential difference. So that means what is potential difference? The amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from one point to another point is known as potential difference. And the potential difference PD, potential difference, which is represented by V, and work done is represented by W, and the charge is represented by Q. Then we can say potential difference is equal to work done upon my time, work done upon my charge, and potential difference is V, and work done is W upon my Q, cross multiply, then W is equal to V into Q. Then what is the definition of potential difference? Means the amount of work done, the amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from one point to another point is known as potential difference. And what is the unit of potential difference? V is 1 volt. V is 1 volt is equal to unit of work done is 1 joule, and unit of charge is 1 coulomb. Here is unit of potential difference is volt, and unit of work done is equal to joule, and unit of charge is coulomb. Then how you can define 1 volt? Define 1 volt. 1 volt. If the question is asked, define the potential difference of 1 volt between 2 points, then 1 volt how we can define? If the amount, if 1 joule of work done, to bring a unit positive charge means 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another point is known as 1 volt. If 1 coulomb of charge to bring one point to another point, if the energy is spent, your work is done equal to 1 joule, then the potential difference will be 1 volt. Again we can say that if 1 joule of work done to bring a 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another point is known as 1 volt. It is the potential difference between 2 points, which is equal to 1 volt. And W, and we can say potential, and the formula also work done is equal to potential difference into my charge. And now on the basis we have to do some numerical question.